Sometimes we have to increase the value of capacitor, but we have capacitor of small capacitance. We want to change the values and we want to use a bigger value capacitors. Sometimes the capacitor gives a potential difference for what it is designed, but in our circuit what we need is a higher potential difference, and sometimes we want to store more charges, more energy than designed for a capacitor. In all such cases, we have to combine more than one capacitors. There are different designs of combinations, and according to those designs, we get the output. Sometimes capacitance is increased, sometimes charge is increased, and in this way we can change the combinations. So now we will study how we can combine more than one capacitors and what is the effect of those combinations. These are the two capacitors and we want to combine them. There are two methods to combine them. One is this is AB and this is CD. B is connected with C, one plate, and then we put battery here. So when the charges, let us say the positive charges go from here, they go up to this place. Now this is battery is positive and this is negative. If I want to go from plus to minus, what is the path I have? I have to pass through this capacitor. Then there is no shortcut coming to minus. I also have to pass this capacitor. Then only I can come to minus. So in a path from between the 2 points, I will say let this point be P and this point be Q. If from P I want to go to Q, I have to jump it as well as I have to jump it. So how many capacitors or as many capacitor on the way I have to cross, all those are supposed to be connected in series. This word we must remember, that these capacitors are in series between P and Q. Between P and Q. So between any 2 points, the capacitor are supposed to be in series. When going from one point to the other point, we have to pass through every capacitor. Now this is series connection. Now again there are 2 points, one is P and this one is Q. This capacitor C1, this is another capacitor C2. Between P, Q, I want to go from P to Q. This is the path. I go from here, jump one capacitor, reach Q. Okay, I have jumped only one. Now again I go from P to Q, go here, jump capacitor C2 and reach Q. So from P to Q there are 2 paths and these 2 are parallel paths, just like 2 banks of a river. Parallel path, and in one path I have to pass through one only, not 2, and here again one only, not 2, and there are 2 parallel paths. So these 2 are connected to each other and this connection is known as parallel connection. So from P to Q there is a path, cross this, so these are in series. From P to Q there is only one in one path, there is only one in the other path. This plate is connected through a conductor with this plate is connected through a conductor with this. Both are connected with both. Here one is connected with one, other is not connected with the other one. So this is parallel, this is series. So this is the difference. These are the 2 type of combinations of capacitors. Sometimes we make a wider net, and it may be like this. You will say it is series. Now here is point A, here is point B, and this C3, this is C1, C2. So here C1 and C2 between A and B are in series, but C3 is not in series because when we go from A to B, does not come in the way. Similarly, one very important thing I would like to tell, if A to B we are going through C3, A to B we are going through this, then C1 and C3, C1 and C3 are parallel, not. Why they are not parallel? Because when we go from A to B, after crossing C1, we have not reached B. After crossing C3, we reach B. But after crossing C1, we have not reached 3, we have to cross this also. Then only we reach B. So these two are in series, but this whole combination is parallel to C3. This type is known as mixed combination. So mixed combination is not a new combination. This is a combination of series and parallel. This is pure series because all capacitor we have to cross once, and there may be so many like this. All this C1, C2, C3, C4 are in series. And here we can have more like this. So C1, C2, C3. All one plate is connected with P and other plate of all the three are connected with Q. So all three will be known as in parallel. But here C1 is not parallel with C3 because this plate is not connected with this.